warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you all always be good. Now, I want to explain about how to make good habits stick. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get so much done and know how to develop a good habit? When they make a schedule or resolution, then they can make it happen. But when you try to go after similar goals, it's a different story. You might be able to stick to them for a while, but then somewhere along the way, you always lose your motivation and quit. Habits streamline and simplify our lives. When action develop into habits, they become automatic, requiring little of the mental and emotional energy needed the first few times you attempt the action. Most of us try and then fail to do habits, after which there is no desire to start over. Out of self-pity, our self-esteem takes a hit so that we don't want to try again, feeling that we cannot be successful. But science tells a different story. Study after study show that by following a particular approach to forming good habits, success is inevitable. You need less and less conscious attention and internal motivation to perform the habits. By following this approach, you will find that the habits you want to perform become second nature, and you will even feel strange if you cannot perform their habit for some reason.
1. Start ridiculously small. Most people want to create big change as quickly as possible, and when it does, you will be very likely quit. The solution to this problem is to start too small that it hardly requires any willpower at all. 1. If you want exercise to become your habit, start jogging around your house or exercising indoor. 2. Instead of jumping on a rebounder for 20 minutes per day, start with 2 minutes. 2. Beginning with one habit at a time. If you are new to this method for building good habit at a time, for example, you may have a goal to lose 10 pounds through exercise and diet. Rather than launching into both of these new behaviors at the same time, pick one and make it habitual before you begin the second. Choose the easier of the two. If it seems easier to reduce your calorie intake than to start a running habit, begin by cutting calories. You will feel so motivated by losing weight through dieting that you look forward to supporting your success with an exercise habit. 3. Get hooked on your habit. Jerry Seinfeld used "don't break the chain" as strategy. Seinfeld used this method to become a better comic by writing a new joke every day. Each time he completed his writing for the day, he put a big red X on that day on his calendar. Within a few days, he had a chain he did not want to break. This is very good strategy. You can create reminder visual so you know where you have been struggling. 4. Attach the habit to a trigger. Have you ever noticed how smokers tend to wake up after certain cues? They may be triggered to smoke after a meal, with a cocktail, or with their first cup of coffee. You can develop the same association for positive habits by attaching them to exciting automatic behaviors that cue you to perform the habit. A trigger may be getting out of bed in the morning, your morning shower, brushing your teeth, or any behavior you perform consistent every day. Try not to choose triggers that don't occur consistently at the same time every day. You want a routine that's predictable and consistent. 5. Have clear intention. If you are serious about your new habit, value intention like "I will try to hit the gym 3 times this week." 1. Cut it. Here are 3 powerful strategies for doing this. First, create information intention, such as if I had done breakfast, I will do 5 push-ups. Second, use habit sticking that link your new habits to previous ones. As you gain more experience using habit, you can develop the habits you have created. Third, information schedule. This one may seem obvious, but very few people actually use it. 6. Create an accountability system. Research confirms that your partner behaviors and habits have a big influence on your own. So make a pact with your partner to work on positive habits together and serve as accountability partners for one another. Report back to one another each day on whether or not you practice your habit. Discuss why you didn't follow through if you skip the habit. If you don't have a life partner, find someone or something else to use as a system of accountability. You can even report your daily effort on social media. 7. Celebrate your small wins. Each time you reward yourself for making progress, no matter how small, you activate the reward security in your brain. That releases some chemical which make you experience feeling of achievement and pride. This emotion in turn empower you to take action and create bigger success in the future. So reward yourself for each step in the right direction, no matter how small they happen to be. 8. Design your environment. Professor of Psychology and best-selling author Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi provides an excellent framework to shape your environment to support your desired habits. And the more activation energy it needs, the less likely you will be to follow through and do it. For example, putting a great book next to your living room couch. By changing the activation energy of your behavior, you can nudge yourself in the right direction. 9. Surround yourself with supporters. If you want to create healthy habits but all your friends are unhealthy, it's time to make some new friends. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, so be selective about them. 10. Pre-commit to your habit. You have committed to your workout plan by sending a friend $50 every time you fail to get to the gym before work. By pre-committing this way, you can add an extra layer of accountability that's make you push through even when it's hard. 11. Change your mindset. Whenever you are creating a new habit, adopt a scientist and subject mindset. Consider everything you do a behavioral experiment, where each setback provides valuable data for your next step. Shift your attention away from the long-term goal and instead focus on showing up and doing your habit every single day. Don't break the chain. If you stick to the process, the result you are after will inevitably come as a side effect of your efforts.
Okay, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully, you can do good habits. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.